Hi, thanks for tuning into my vlog of destination wedding makeup order. So I finally finished packing my bag and I'm carrying in a VIP travel bag. I have put my makeup in pouches and carrying some hair accessories. All my makeup stuff is on one side, like sponges and everything. Oh hi, there's my bunny, small baby. Hello. I washed my brushes one day before and kept them for drying. I'll pack in the morning. So finally we reached at the bus stop. We are going to Satara Way. The bus was fairly empty and quite cozy and very comfortable. We reached in 4.5 hours. This is the view from my bride's hometown. The weather was quite beautiful. It's monsoon right now, very rainy. The later night we checked into the hotel was quite spacious, good arrangement done by the bride. Hello. Let's check the bathroom. Nice and clean. It's a standard 3-star hotel. It's the next morning and I've started preparing, setting up the chairs for makeup. I always make the bride sit in front of the light, balcony, especially natural light. And we didn't need AC because it's the monsoon season. It's quite cool environment today. And let me show you my products. I'm carrying some eyelashes from PAC Pro Lashes 0 number 3 and PAC 53, some light natural lashes, face cleaning material, my glitters. This is another champagne color, my favorite, which I'll be using later. And this one is a little bronzy color. Then some lipsticks, lip liners. It's better to place all your products out before the bride arrives so it's easily accessible. I'm carrying these two lipsticks from MAC, All Fired Up and Ruby Woo. Just selected products. Laura Mercier loose powder, corrector from LA Girl, concealers from ELF and Sephora, MAC, Smashbox, and some eyeshadow palettes from Morphe. This is blush palette, Huda Beauty palette, and the brushes. So I didn't get to record the entire making video of makeup, but these are some snippets. I hope you enjoy. Now just cutting the crease. A little bit close up. And she is ready, all set for her engagement. The foundation I used was Smashbox and MAC. I mixed them together. Hair is done by my senior hairstylist. Simple curls with extension. And she looks so happy and pretty. After the engagement, was done, we went ahead and had lunch. Typical Maharashtrian lunch, chapati, bhaji. Thank you for watching this short vlog of my destination wedding order. Hope you enjoyed. Bye bye.